We're playing Midnight Snack Attack, and this is another video. So, I used to play this game a long time ago, like 4 years ago actually, and it was just... Yes, I just said. Alright, Oliver, what do you want to do right now?
I want to go to the lobby.
Okay. I'm trying to get up to your lobby. I missed it.
Ah, me too.
We gotta wait for the level, and it should come. Let me try to get the level. Ooh, what happened? Alright, we got the... Okay. Oh, great. Oliver, we're about to start a new level soon. In 30 seconds. I want to see the shop. 424. Detroit Snacks.
Do what? I'm gonna do the doodles.
Doodle School is so good.
We get paid.
I'm not on video camera. Alright, take it. Alright. Until time. Alright, Shift Q F E. Nobody can see your flashlight. Oh dear, let's get away from the snack. Let's get away from the snack. Our top priority to escape the snack.
I'm on the big soccer ball.
Oh dear, it's pretty. No! Oh no. Now I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! You must be here somewhere! Yes! Got him! Alright, let's go attack some midnight snackers. Because we are the snackers ourselves. This is a green tongue.
Again, taking the cookies.
Inside them.
I've got 5.
Is this a pretty fun game, Oliver? I'm gonna try to look inside the lockers, because that is a possible thing you can do. Lights have been switched.
Oh, you see someone?
Oh, it's just you.
Oh,
Oh!
did you get a cookie?
Get them!
I only have 5 out of 5. So I have 5 out.
Oh yeah, it's next time. Okay. Soon this level's gonna end. Yeah. So one game and then it's all over. Yeah, I am. How long has it even been? This is kind of hard. The people here. Did I just see it? Oh, that's not an exclamation. For the perfect experience, try playing on PC. I'm playing on a Mac. It's good enough. Oh, guy. Oh, no. Go to the bathroom. Go to, homework. That's funny. Welcome to Dirty School. That's Goober Gold Scooter Boy survive. Okay, that was a fun level. Only 28 cookies. Alright.
Only 12.
Alright. Goodbye.